And this morning, Illinois health officials are looking into whether a case of the measles outside of Chicago can be traced to Disneyland. So far, at least 88 people in 8 states have been infected. Most cases are in California and originate at the resort. Ben Tracy shows us how doctors are starting to see a shift in attitudes toward vaccines.
It's been a busy January at pediatrician Jay Gordon's office in Santa Monica, where the growing measles outbreak is prompting once skeptical patients to rethink vaccines.
My patients, for the most part, have delayed getting the measles, mumps, rubella vaccine, and now in the midst of a small outbreak, they're deciding it's the right time to get the MMR.
Dr. Gordon says he's given more MMR shots this month than all of last year combined. The majority of patients in his practice are unvaccinated for measles. He advocates waiting until children are 3 to give them the MMR vaccine and thinks this measles outbreak is being overblown.
So this isn't as serious of a disease as people are making out to be in your view?
It's nothing to be taken lightly, but to frighten people into getting an MMR by leading them to believe that measles has a high complication rate or a high fatality rate is wrong.
Still, Dr. Robert Wiewerts, who works across town at Kaiser Permanente, says the Disneyland outbreak should serve as a wake-up call to families who have opted out. About a quarter of those infected in California have ended up in the hospital.
We hope that as parents hear of this outbreak, they may change their decision in actually vaccinating their children appropriately. That's what we would hope for.
He also says the rising number of cases might help pediatricians make a stronger argument to vaccine-hesitant parents who have been bombarded with conflicting information.
We have great evidence to show what happens with measles. Many children get very ill and some die. I think it gives us, again, an example of the importance of vaccination, what a great public health tool it is in protecting the public.
For CBS This Morning, Ben Tracy.